Welcome to FastReport Cloud. In this video, you will learn how to use our cloud reporting service. On the upper panel, you can find the Workplace switcher, User panel, and the Notifications button. The Documents tab provides a convenient space for accessing your templates, reports, and exports. Report creation process starts with a template, and there are two ways to add templates to FastReport Cloud. You can design a template in service using the data sources you've configured. You will learn about them later in the video. You can organize your files in folders. Existing reports can also be edited with the inbuilt online designer. And you can upload report templates from a URL or from local storage. Here's another example of a report opened in Online Designer. Next step, preparing the report. .fpx is a XML-based format that we use for storing prepared reports, which can be saved for export into other supported document formats. In FastReport Cloud, you can export reports into other formats without saving the FPX file. But let's try this first. Here, we have prepared the report, and the corresponding FPX file has been saved in the Reports folder. You can view a prepared report in a separate tab. Now you have a report that was prepared previously, and you can export it into any available format. This PDF file is the result of exporting your report, and it will be stored in the Exports folder. You can also download it after the export. Next, data sources. In this section, you can configure connections to your data sources, which will be displayed and used while editing or preparing reports. Here is the example dialog for adding a MySQL connection. Next sections cover the organizational side of working with FastReport Cloud. In the Groups section, you can configure a set of groups with set permissions for your users. Owner Group consists of the workplace owners. Anon Group allows you to open access to reports or functions to anybody with no need to log in. And the Group Other includes everyone else who's not included in these two groups or in any user-added groups. Here, I've added a new group called New Group, and you can also see that the Anon group has no permissions by default. In the Users section, you can browse the users which are added to the workplace and switch to what groups they belong. Also, you can create an invite link in this section. The groups that the user participates in are located in the upper window, and the other ones in the lower one. Clicking a group would switch its state. And finally, in this section, you can generate API keys if you need one or more. You can set a description and an expiry date, and you can also delete them manually. If you have any questions or suggestions regarding FastReport Cloud or any other of our products, you can contact us at support@fast-report.com.